Good afternoon, everybody. And since I've never been in a speed date before, 3 minutes is quite not so long time. So it is an interesting opportunity for me also. So let's jump into the fire. Just very briefly, I've only got 2 slides for you, so I'm not going to waste a lot of your let's say attention on details. So I'm just going to go on through the basic things. So this is expected that we lose a lot of capacity and in the future, and we're going to have to substitute that with something, right? And something could be what could be the one part of the puzzle. Could be basically something that we believe very strongly is the ecosystem of decentralized production. And by that, what do I mean? What kind of building blocks we have for that? Well, we have raw data, which we evaluate basically considering the PV production, so that we know that when the power is going to be at the highest peak, when it's going to be the lowest peak, and everything in between. So we have some kind of forecast what's going to happen. So then we can aggregate loads in a just optimum time to basically to reserve as much the energy on the house and use it in the house as possible. Not to put it on the grid, as we already know that it's going to bring a lot of problems when the grid is oscillating. So let's reduce that. And then we have, of course, very important part is that we have a lot of these power plants, so we gather more information on the weather events, so that we can be even more accurate with the basically the forecasting of the power production. And then we, of course, at the same time will also measure the consumption, so we got a quite good transparent picture to the electricity companies and national grid holders. That's what's going to happen. So, and very important part is the electrical vehicles. We do want to connect those in a bipolar movement. So we want to get the energy in and we want to get it out from the car. You already got the car. Why don't you use it fully? So if you can utilize the benefits which it can still bring you, it makes things even more beneficial for you. And the facility battery is, of course, important thing, that you can jump the DC link directly to the car and achieve also fast charging in any kind of circumstances. And this scales up from this very small residential house to the bigger building. And this altogether, under virtual power plant control, you can use decent energy reserve markets, and that's going to be the whole new business model. Nothing more. Thank you.